The tank is full, so we need to drain it. And we start draining the system. Once the unit starts to fill, we turn this off and we turn off the water supply to the unit. After that, we're gonna just take the blower off and we're going to pour regular bleach, about 1 ounce, in the blower chute. And we reposition, we put the blower back and put the unit in the bypass mode. The water starts circulating through the unit to disinfect all the parts inside. After 5 minutes, we could turn the power off. We will unplug the blower cord, which is labeled in green. Remove the blower. Move the bent pipe to the side. And remove it, turn it out of the way. Once the blower and the vent removed, we're gonna take the lid off. You need to disconnect the inside by taking the differential fill valve off, taking the electric level switch off, and disconnecting the union to the pump, and take the lock of the pin and the pin out, and then pull the pump out. At this time, just take the whole assembly, the aeration plate out. You could drain the unit till it's empty with the shop vac or sump pump and wipe everything clean. After that, just put everything together the way they were removed. When everything is done, basically we just turn the power back on and we turn the water back on. By taking it to bypass.